I'm Stephen Miller from IBM Analytics Group, and I lead academic outreach and programs for the group. And I'm here today with Dr. Andrew Schaffner from Cal Poly. So Andrew, what is your role at Cal Poly?
Well, I'm faculty in the statistics department, and I've recently started up with a computer science faculty member, a new data science program.
That's really cool. So over the last 3 months, we've actually been involved in 3 different projects together. So tell me about the first one, Big Data and Analytics EdCon, and your experience there.
Oh, that was fantastic. So Puerto Rico, great place, but aside from the location, I really got some exposure to see what my colleagues were doing all over the place, both the United States and abroad. And it really gave me a better sense of how we fit in at Cal Poly and what we're contributing, and also what others are doing in the business community.
All right.
We're taking a real statistics and computer science focus, and I got to see the other side a little bit.
Excellent. Yeah, I'm glad that worked out great for you, because it's the 3rd year we've done that, and every year it's gotten better. So the other one we did together was a project with the Oceans of Data Institute focused on data literacy for K-12 students. And you were part of a multidisciplinary team with members from other schools and Google and Microsoft. And tell me about that experience up at IBM Almaden, the research on the Hill.
Yeah, well, that was really exciting. We got to take a good hard look at the pipeline of the next generation of just citizens, really. I mean, we focused earlier on the data scientist, but now just having data literacy for our citizenry and kind of a democratization of data. So we got to really think about what does it mean for a citizen to be able to make decisions that are data driven.
Okay, so we have this really big goal of getting to 100 million students in some reasonably finite period of time. Now, what do you think about that goal? Are we being too audacious?
Well, I think it's doable. I think, step by step, we're already seeing movements in the K-12 curriculum. Kids have computers in the classroom now. It's becoming standard. We just need to figure out how to leverage their use so they can have examples in class to work on, and mentors to help make projects exciting and interesting for them.
Cool. All right. So today, we had the 3rd time we've actually been out together with wonderful support, from your school. We had another one focused on the future of data science education. And we brought together peer faculty from all over the US and Canada, industry leaders, and we really got into a really deep conversation, I thought. But really want to hear about it from your perspective, right? What did you get most out of today that you can immediately use when you return to Cal Poly?
I think I have a sense that there's support for real interdisciplinary action, right? That none of us can take it on by ourselves. We have to partner. We have to partner both business and academics, as well as within academia, partnerships across colleges. I heard a lot about having domain expertise, which means no one department's going to be able to take this on by themselves.
Okay. So let's think about moving forward. Right, so you've been involved now in 3 things with IBM, and I think this last one's probably really, really relevant to the thinking about where you're going to go next.
Sure.
So what are you going to do next when you get back and you're going to call up your department chair or your president and go, we need to do this now, this is urgent, we're going to do this, and with IBM support and with the Business Higher Education Forum support. So what will that be?
Wow, well, I have to say that all these activities have spawned so many ideas. I'm not sure which one I want to pursue first. But one of the more exciting ones, I think, is to start thinking about general ed type of applications where we can have all students have access to learning more about using data in their lives. I think the Watson platform might be a really good way to expose some of the earlier stages of students' exploration, how they can use data to make decisions.
Yeah, Watson Cognitive, Watson Analytics. We've got a number of really cool things that you can use on campus, and I hope you have a great experience with that. And so I really wanted to thank you for spending the time today. And I know you need to get to the airport, so thank you for spending some extra time with us today.
Thank you very much.
And have a great flight, and I look forward to working with you some more.
Me too. It's been fantastic.
Thank you, Andrew.